Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. If you're here for the first time, like this video and subscribe to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'll shed a light on the cost of owning and running a registered company in Kenya without a physical office location. Stay tuned. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com. Before registering a limited company in Kenya, it's important to know how much it will cost you to own and run the same company. It costs money to just own a company, let alone having a registered office. Having this knowledge will prepare a new entrepreneur on what to expect. I'll not delve into the cost of registering a business because it's variable and it's done once. However, you can see a breakdown on the business registration cost on the business registration service portal. In this video, I'll share with you the cost of running a registered limited company in Kenya. The information I'll be sharing here will be based on my personal experience running Trendline Network Limited for now 5 years. Trendline Network Limited is a videography company based in Nairobi, Kenya. In the year 2019, towards the end, I closed down the physical office and started operating from home little before the COVID-19 lockdown came in. In the same year, 2020, we did only one job. It was the lowest year in business and we made only losses. This takes me to the first cost associated with business ownership: operation costs. So how did I manage the cost as the only remaining director of the company? First thing I did was deciding to handle business the freelance way. I paid whoever worked with me per task completed and not per month. This thus gave me a space to continue looking for business opportunities while maintaining the company. When you go this route, you will save money and still maintain good relationship with your team. While business have not looked up yet, I've saved money and time. Let's dive in further and break down the company operation costs. The first one is tax and accounting costs. Limited company is an independent entity with its own tax bill. You as the director is therefore responsible for any activity that takes place within your company. You have to ensure that everything is accounted for. If you succeed to get business with a large organization, the company will expect you to charge them VAT. While KRA maintains that only registered traders with an annual turnover of 5 million Kenya shillings and above are required to charge VAT, and that there are instances where a person with less than 5 million is allowed to register on voluntary basis, you will find your company forced to register for this obligation in order to get business with reputable organizations. VAT application is a price you have to pay. When you have VAT application under your PIN, you will be required to remit tax monthly before 20th, even if you had 0 transactions during the month. According to Kenya Revenue Authority, failing to comply is an offense subject to a penalty of Kenya shillings 10,000 for every tax period failure occurs. This is in addition to other penalties prescribed in law. Good news is you can do this yourself, or you can hire someone to do it for you. If you hire someone to do it for you, it will cost from 500 to 3,000 a month. Annually, this translates to between 6,000 and 36,000 annually. The second cost is audit cost. Annually, your company needs to be audited in order to remit income tax. This gives you an upper hand in getting business through the tendering process. One of the mandatory requirements when tendering is having audited accounts ready. In this case, it's for the purposes of remitting annual income tax. Depending on who you are dealing with and the amount of work required, the minimum cost I have paid an auditor was 10,000 Kenya shillings. This was when the annual sales was less than 50,000 Kenya shillings. So when you combine this with tax and accounting cost, it will cost you a minimum of Kenya shillings 16,000 annually. The third cost is tendering cost for those who get business through the tendering process. On average, when you download and print a tender online, it will cost you between 150 and 250 Kenya shillings to print based on the number of pages. You'll have to make copies and attach various documents, bind and submit. At the end, you'll spend 500 to 1,000 shillings to have the tender document ready for submission. You'll also have to gather for transport cost or employ courier services to deliver the tender documents. This costs between 200 and 500 within Nairobi and more outside Nairobi. If you apply for 4 tenders a month, you will spend a minimum of 2,400. This is on occasions where you are doing everything yourself with no assistant. In conclusion, it's important to note that there are other additional costs of running a business, like renting an office, paying for business permit, paying annual fees for membership to various professional entities like Media Council of Kenya, the Society of Professional Consultants, etc., etc. I hope this video sheds a light on the basic cost of running and operating a limited company without a physical registered office. Feel free to share your feedback in the comment section below. Also, take a moment to check out my business website on www.trendline-network.com. You never know, we might have something in common and we can start doing business. Until next time, my name is Cheptiony Mutai. You can follow me on Twitter at Cheptiony. Bye-bye.
Want to start marketing your business through video? Talk to us today. Visit www.trendline-network.com. Trendline Network Limited, connecting through video.